Hi guys, if you've been searching for that tropical villa in paradise at a price you could actually afford, I think I found it. This one's for you. Stay tuned. Hi everyone, Sarah Brightlander here with Krain Luxury Real Estate, and do we have a treat for you today? Our newest exclusive listing. It is so cute. You're in a little villa in paradise. I don't know if you can hear the birds, but they're out right now. We are gonna see Steph Surf today. So we are in Playa Potrero, Guanacaste region of Costa Rica. This is a beautiful villa at a price point you can actually afford, and it has so many lovely things going for it that makes it unique. The first of which is this. This is pretty amazing. As soon as you come through the main door to the property, you're gonna see how special it is. Lush vegetation everywhere, bird singing. On many days you can hear the waves. We're that close to the beach, maybe 100 meters from the beach, maybe. What a great location. You will see all types of plants in this area, and I just love it. This is Steph Surf. This is a really unique, beautiful little villa complex, like little tropical bungalows. They're so beautiful. They're only 4. That's how unique this is. And they all share this beautiful outdoor area. And I want to explore that with you a little bit. First of all, you've got this cute community area, little tropical bar here, and this beautiful palapa, right? Super well maintained and just lovely. It's all lit up so you can use it day or night. And then you just meander through the grounds here. You just feel like you're all to yourself in paradise here. I love this beautiful old tree. Look at this. Let me get out of your way because look at this. Look how beautiful that is. You actually have a cold jacuzzi here. Beautiful pool with the fountains. I mean, really, it's like staying at a little hotel resort, except it's yours and you own it. I mean, that's pretty nice. So follow me. I want to show you exactly where your unit would be if you bought here. So as I mentioned, there are only 4 villa styles, 1, 2, 3, 4 back here. And today we're going to see La Gaviota. All are independently named, really cute little villas. So what I like about this, you're going to continue that tropical theme you see is just going to continue. Here's your front balcony here, just beautiful. I love it. So you just, this is your own private garden. You have bamboos, palm trees everywhere, just really, really beautiful. So you kind of meander through here. This is all your private space here, nice and lush, your outdoor seating area, your grill. This is your space. And welcome to your villa. Look at this. Look how pretty this is. Isn't this great? I tell you what, at this price point, it's just hard to beat a product like this. I feel like this is what so many of my clients are looking for, and you know, this is what they want to see when they come to Costa Rica. So look at these doors just open beautifully, and you're really bringing the outdoors in here, right? So really nice. Because there are only 4 villas in the whole complex, you know, most times you might just have the place to yourself, right? So really nice, you know, no overcrowding, super peaceful development. I also love some of the furniture in here. Look at this table. Isn't that beautiful? The hollowed out pieces there. And I love the rattan furniture. It really keeps the tropical vibe going. So I really like the decor and the furniture selection in here. I think they did a really, really nice job with it. And you have everything you need, and it's a great size. So we come through this. Over here this way, you also have another door out here. So this is your kitchen area. This has been recently redone. So all of this, you know, these poured concrete countertops here, and then the cabinets. This is all a recent renovation. So you have everything you need here. Dishwasher included in that. I also love the backsplash. really nice. And it's just perfect for this tropical villa. And I love floating shelves. That's just such a nice touch here. They also have a laundry room. And then for convenience, they have a little bathroom down here. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath villa. Now, this bath is not included. They literally just added this for convenience, but we have 2 full bathrooms upstairs as well. And so we're just gonna go up this little spiral staircase, and I will meet you upstairs to see the adorable bedroom. Stay tuned because you're gonna love them. Hi guys, here we are on the 2nd floor. Come with me. Here is bedroom number 1. How pretty is this? As you can see, it's like fully equipped as a turnkey little vacation rental here, and just really nice and happy and bright. I love this part. This is such a wonderful extension. They have like a daybed out here, and you can really just sit out here, read a book, enjoy being outside, but also super private. And again, I love this view. And then I don't think you saw, look at your gate. There's your Gaviota on there. Really cute. Just a really great vibe here. Really cute. All right, let's go back through here. I want to show you the first of the 2 official bathrooms. Okay, full bathrooms for each bedroom here, which is nice. Also, the floors, we have engineered bamboo floors up here. Also, this is extra storage. Okay, we're gonna come to one of my favorite parts. Do I need to even say anything? I mean, it doesn't get much better than this. I don't know how you feel, but when we first moved to Costa Rica, this was what I was expecting to see when I came here. So this is, I think, maybe why I'm so partial to it and I like it. I just think it's simple and it's beautiful and it's perfect, right? Look at this. I love what they've done with this wall. I think it's such a great vibe, such a happy room. Love the vaulted ceilings, very peaceful. I also love the lighting selection. They did a really, really great job. I'll meet you on the other side. Here's a nice long closet, full-length mirror, and then we have the ensuite bathroom here. So just similar to the other one we saw, everything you need, and then there's the shower. Okay, there's one other thing I want to show you, which is I want to show you the other side of the pool. There are so many beautiful outdoor spaces here. It's hard to capture them all on camera. You have 4 outdoor spaces that are private right here with your unit. But I want to show you the other side of the pool because it's just lovely. Follow me. Okay, we're back at the pool. I wanted you to see this because I like for you to see every angle, right? So just wanted to make sure you got a shot here of the beautiful fountains. I think it's just lovely. How can you not enjoy this pool, honestly? And then look, there's a whole other sitting area here on this side in this corner, another outdoor shower. This is in addition to what we saw earlier. So just ample, beautiful private spaces for you and your family and friends to enjoy. Again, this is the development Steph Surf, located right in the heart of Surfside Estates in Playa Potrero, Costa Rica. And the condo that we looked at today is La Gaviota. So if you like it, call the team and tell them you want to check it out today. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel so that you can see more of these videos. Ciao for now and pura vida.